Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making a bracelet completely at home. We're going to be making the beads out of paper. Without further ado, let's get started. So first, you have to cut your paper into thin triangles. Make sure they're not too big at the top, otherwise your bead is going to be very big. Then you're going to glue your triangle and wrap it around a stick to make it a bead. Cut off the excess or just add more glue. There you go, you made your first bead. Now make a bunch more to make a bracelet. Then you're going to need some clear, stretchy string and just put all your beads on to the length of your hand. If you need to make more beads along the way, it's okay, just make more. Make sure they don't fall off the other end. Once you've added all the beads, put it to your hand and measure. And ask somebody else to tie it if you don't know how to tie it. Make sure it fits and before you double knot it. Thanks for watching.